Hey guys, what's crack-a-lackin'? Sorry I haven't made a video in a couple of days. I've been kind of I've been depressed and been feeling down. I really haven't really been feeling like making a video, and it's been kind of cold here in Kansas. It's about 12 degrees right now, and I hate it to tell you the truth. And yeah, I would rather be in Florida right now, but that's not going to happen. But first of all and foremost, I want to give a moment of silence here for a great friend, brother, and mentor to me, and he was also kind of, and he was that he was the he was that car audio Yoda for me. And if you guys have ever watched Trick My Truck, you'll know exactly who I'm talking about. He did all their audio, video, and all their electrical work for them on the trucks. I'm talking about the one and only Rob Richardson. Rob would have been 45 today. Like I said, Rob was a great friend of mine. I did the one thing that most people dreamed of. I was able to meet my mentor and hero, and I was able to be friends with him, close friends with him, and I'm happy I got to know him before he died. Phew. Yeah. I just want to take a moment of silence here for Rob Richardson. And, Rob, I know someday I will see you again in the kingdom of God. God promises it to me. We will all see our family members and our loved ones again. So I just, guys, just please bear a moment of silence here with me for Rob of Track My Truck, and Rob's, I believe that the shop was called, Rob's Audio Innovations. But enough. Okay, guys, onward and forward. In case I didn't tell you guys before, the last week in the very last week in February, I will be making a trip. First I'll be going from Kansas to Spencerville, Ohio, and then to pick up my box from the custom box shop, and then from Ohio, I'll be getting on I believe it's I-75 South, which is going to take me all the way to a town called Valdosta, Georgia, to another friend of mine's shop called Audio Innovations, and I'll be there for exactly 2 days. and he's gonna help me install all of my Crescendo car audio gear into Pacemaker. We're gonna get everything hooked up, my amps, my amps, mid ranges, my tweeters, my symphony amps, and my big beast of an amp, my 4.5K, and all and we're gonna get me bumping. And when I go up there, I will when I go down there, I will have my contralto sitting inside the box. Josh is gonna help me sit it inside the box when I get to the custom box shop. I can't wait for that. I got some awesome things to come, guys. Excuse me. You know, like I said, it is nasty cold out here in Kansas, and it's miserable. I mean, last night I couldn't sleep in my bedroom because it was so cold last night. Anyways, guys, I'm looking forward. I don't want to bore you guys with a bunch of boo-hoo. Feel sorry for me because that is not my the way I roll. I roll with the power of positivity. Anyway, guys, but yeah, that's just a couple of things that's been going on with me, and I wanted to say something about about bipolar symptoms, but I'll have to save that for the next video. But yeah, guys, but yeah, if you guys do live along the route of I-75, let me know. I would be more than happy to just stop along the way for maybe a few seconds and chat with you guys and meet with you guys. Yeah, because the drive from this really blew me out of the water. The drive from Ohio to Georgia it's only 12 hours, and that's a pretty short hour drive compared to the 24 plus hour drive that I drove coming back from Daytona Beach back in 2016. But anyways, guys, since I can't remember anything about my bipolar right now, go figure. Memory loss. And I'll try to remember what that is and see about making another video on that. But for now, I'm the one and only PC Mr. saying, please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos. And for now, I'm the one and only PC Mr. out.